Rip the headphone users. Anyway, Wile E. Coyote getting rock dropped directly on his head. Impression in 3, 2, 1. Me. Meow.